Hey there, and welcome to my channel. My name is RJ Whitmaster, and I'm so excited to share my very first video with you. I'm a cybersecurity enthusiast with a background in banking, data analysis, and a passion for gaming and tech. This channel is about documenting my journey, sharing what I've learned, and helping you if you're interested in cybersecurity, programming, or just improving your tech skills. Today, I'll take you through my story, how I transitioned from working in banking, specifically in service consulting and data analysis, into cybersecurity. I'll also share the challenges I faced, the resources that helped me, and my top 3 tips for anyone looking to follow a similar path. Let's get started. A little over a year ago, I was working in the banking industry as a service consultant. Part of my role involved helping clients with banking solutions, but I also spent a good portion of my time on data analysis. I worked with customer data to identify trends, streamline solutions, and improve our overall processes. It was rewarding to solve problems with data, but I often felt like something was missing. The environment was also tough: constant pressure, workplace toxicity, and a growing sense that I wasn't pursuing my true passion. That's when I started exploring other options. I realized I wanted a career that challenged me mentally, leveraged my analytical skills, and let me make a meaningful impact. That's when I discovered cybersecurity. The idea of protecting systems, solving complex problems, and learning something new every day drew me in immediately. Switching from banking to cybersecurity wasn't easy, but it was absolutely worth it. I started by building on the skills I already had. My experience in data analysis gave me a good foundation in problem solving, working with tools, and identifying patterns, all of which are incredibly useful in cybersecurity. The first step was picking up technical skills I didn't yet have. I started learning Python, which I had a bit of experience with, and dove into online courses about cybersecurity fundamentals. One of the most helpful resources for me was TryHackMe, a platform that provides practical, hands-on learning for cybersecurity enthusiasts. I also leaned heavily into cybersecurity concepts and hands-on projects. Diving into practical challenges while learning the theory made a huge difference. And you know what? It's okay to feel overwhelmed. I had days when I doubted myself, but every small win, whether it was writing a script or solving a challenge, kept me going. For anyone watching this who's thinking about starting a career in cybersecurity, here are 3 tips that helped me. Tip number 1: build on what you already know. Think about the skills you already have. For me, it was data analysis, breaking down complex problems, spotting trends, and working with tools. These skills transfer directly into cybersecurity. You might have experience in problem solving, customer service, or IT support that you can leverage. Tip 2: start with the basics. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on foundational concepts like networking, programming, and system security. Platforms like TryHackMe, FreeCodeCamp, and even YouTube tutorials are great places to start. Tip 3: practice constantly. Cybersecurity is a hands-on field. Try setting up a home lab, experimenting with virtual machines, or participating in capture the flag challenges. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. So that's it for today's video. I hope my story and tips inspired you to take the first steps towards your goals, whether it's in cybersecurity, gaming, or any other field. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting weekly videos about cybersecurity tips, my journey, and even some cool gaming content. Let me know in the comments what questions you have or what topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. I'd love to hear from you and build this community together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.